Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I want to continue the idea of the first and second derivative line. In this one, I'm going to go backwards. So I'm going to give you the lines and we're going to do a sketch. So let's get started with this. I have a function and I'm going to tell you that this function is continuous. That's the picture that I want to draw. It's going to be differentiable everywhere except for x equals -2. At 0 and 2, the first derivative will be 0, and at x equals 1, the second derivative will be 0. So, how do I go about doing this? Well, looking at this, I have several regions that I want to focus on. So the first region is between -∞ and -2. I have a increasing function and a concave up function. So I'm just going to give a small little picture of that. It kind of looks like that. Now in this next region, well, the next region goes from -2 to 0. I have a decreasing function that's concave up. So it kind of looks something like that. And then between 0 and 1, I have an increasing function that's concave up. So it kind of looks something like that. Between 1 and 2, I have an increasing function and concave down. Well, that looks something like that. And then the last region, 2 to infinity. I have a decreasing function that's concave down. And that looks something like that. So what I need to do is put all these pictures together. Now, I know at x equals 0, I am going to have a horizontal tangent line. And at x equals 2, I'm also going to have a horizontal tangent line. But at x equals -2, I'm going to get a derivative that doesn't exist. So that's going to tell me that there's a cusp point there. Looking at these two pictures, well, the only way to really put them together is to really come up with, like, the cusp point at the top. So here is a rough sketch. I mean, this is a rough sketch of this. Putting these two together, I wind up getting something like this. And now I know I'm going to level off and then start to increase again. But I'm going to keep my concavity until I get to about x equals 1, and then I'm going to bend my concavity back down. It's going to reach a maximum, and then I'm going to come back down here. Now, if I had to label this with an axis, I am not drawing these to scale with each other. This is a -2. This would be a 0. This right here, inflection point, would be a 1. And this maximum would be a 2. So this is a sketch of y equals f of x. I hope that was helpful. And if you got any questions, let me know. Have a great day. See you later. Bye.